Yo, what up YouTube Bunaris? This is Tin the Pro and I'm back again with another video, and thank you for tuning in. So if you're new to this channel, in this channel we cover music production tutorials. Make sure that to check out my my channel. As you can see here, I only have 153 subscribers, so make sure that you go there and you subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna walk you through your music journey. And then these are the videos that I made recently. You can go check them all, and then you can also like them, because you will never lose anything. So let's get into it. In today's video, I just want to show you a plugin. This video is going to be very short, because I'm just gonna show you one plugin that I think you might need in your music production. So I just dropped up an a cappella from one of my sample packs. Here it is, you can listen to it.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things.
Yes, there's nothing too fancy. I just dropped this a cappella here because I didn't record anything, but maybe I can record something so that you can just hear my voice. So let's get into it. The plugin that I want to introduce you to today is Avox Choir. And then in this plugin is just going to make one vocal to be like a choir. So listen to this. I'm starting with four voices, and then as you can see here is vibrato in this pitch, and then timing, and also stereo separation. So let's start with 4 voices and hear how it's gonna sound.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down.
I'm gonna switch off the plugin, and then you can listen to the original voice.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
Now the plugin.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
You can hear that there are extra voices that were added from that one vocal. Now let's try to use 8 voices and hear what we will have.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
And then this plugin is very good maybe for your background voices. And then because in the lead vocal you don't want something like this. In the lead vocal you want a lead vocal to be leading all the background voices. So make sure that you use this plugin in your background voices, and then you can just mess around with these voices. And then let's try 16.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
There are 16 voices added.
I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things.
Now let's try 32 voices.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down.
But if I were to use this plugin, what I will do is that I will record 4 voices, and then I will pen them left, and I will record another 4 voices and I will pen them right, and then I will also add this vocal just to make my vocal too wide. So let's try to mess around with stereo separation. Let's do this.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
This is not so nice, but I recommend you use 100% stereo separation.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
Let's try to increase the vibrato and hear what we will come up with.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down. 'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things.
Okay, let's try pitch. And by the way, shout out to this singer because this vocal is very good. And guys, don't forget to go and check out my YouTube channel here. You can find out how to master your beats, how to record your vocal and everything. I also cover tutorials for Cubase, Studio One, so just go check that out. Let's try to mess up with the pitch.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love her if you wanna go, I'm down.
Let's bring it down a bit.
'Cause darling, we were made for bigger things.
Yes, and then now let's try to mess up with this timing, because you know in a choir all voices don't start at the same time. There will be a little bit of delay there and there. So let's try to mess up with timing and see what we'll have.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love it if you wanna go on down.
This is a great plugin, but for the extra plugin that I just want to show you, because you stayed up until the end of this video, is Avox Harmony Engine. This is the plugin that I want to show you, and then let's play. It's more like you want to create some harmonies for your vocal.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
And then you just have to make sure that you set up them like something like about the scale and everything. So but I will cover this in the next video, but for now you can just go and check it out and you can see what you can do with this plugin, because it's a very cool plugin. So what I will do here, I'll just demonstrate a bit. Let's start by muting everything here so that we can just work voice by voice.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
This is the original voice, and then let me switch off this choir vocal so that I can just work on the original voice.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave?
Now I just want to set up this. Let's hear what we have.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
If you listen, you will hear that it's not sounding so well,
I'm saying, love it if you wanna go on.
but if you balance it with the original vocal, you can never tell. So let's try to just bring it.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love it if you wanna go on down.
You see, this is a harmony, and then we can also make another one. And then this was 8 Ava, and then maybe we can just go down a bit. Somewhere here and here. What we'll have. Let's bring down the volume a bit.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town? I'm saying, love it if you wanna go on down.
From one vocal, now we are having this. Listen to this very carefully.
'Cause darling, we were meant for bigger things.
From this one,
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
now we have about 3 added vocals.
Tell me, babe, you wanna leave this town?
So guys, make sure that you check out this channel, because this channel is gonna make your music journey so easy. So this is the end of this video. I will see you in the next video. I just wanted to show you these 2 plugins that are very cool, and then you should get today. Peace.